Hello my dears, very good morning to all of you again. From the today we are going to start revision, and we are going to start revision from section C, writing section. In writing section number 1, notice. So notice is a formal way of informing to individual, to a big number of group, to a large number of group, to all the students, each and every student together. So that's why we use notice. Especially notice we use in school, colleges, universities and government official for informing the people, for informing students, okay, in a one time, okay, in short time. So notice plays very important role. Okay, so notice, we write notice in box. It should not exceed word limit 50 words. Okay, you should write on relevance topic. Okay, you should not write irrelevance. You should mention day, date and time. And we use passive voice while making notice. We use third person instead of first person while making notice. Okay, and you should write accurate, precise, okay, and lucid in your message, okay, in your notice. So what to do in notice? First, write the notice in a box and keep the heading on the top. In the middle, in the box, on the top in middle, we write the name of a school, organization or institution in capital letter. Then give the space, then you write word notice in capital letter. That number 3 on the left hand side, you mention date in a proper way. Okay, then you can deal with notice body. Okay, so first on the top, in the middle, on the top, write the name of school, organization, institution, capital letter. Number 2, give the space and write the word notice in capital letter. Then number 3, mention date on left hand side. Then number 4, write again heading and title, the subject which you had given in block letter. Then you can deal with notice body. So on the basis of 3 point, you can deal notice body. What, when, where, what is going on, okay, what will be going on, okay, when it will be going on, and where it will be going on. What, when, where, on the basis of 3 point. Then if you have any query and doubt, so you can contact undersign. Then you write undersign, signature, okay, in name, in designation. So like that you can make any notice. So we'll see a notice. Okay, so in revision, if we talk about a revision, so in revision we have notice. Okay, you are Vaishali Sharma and Bebhav Sharma, the vice head voice girl. Okay, so your school is organizing an inter-school drawing and painting competition. In your school there is a competition going to take place, inter-school drawing and painting competition. So you should draft notice. So keep the notice in the box on the top. In the middle, write the name of a school, organization name in capital letter. Give the space, write word notice in capital letter. Left hand side, mention date in proper way. Then number 4, again just make a heading and title of given subject in block letter. Then you can start making notice. Okay, on 3 points, what is going on, means what, when and where, when it is going on and where it will be going on. Okay, so what is going on, what will be going on. So in inter-school drawing and painting competition, your school is going to arrange, okay, always use third person. Your school is going to arrange a painting and drawing competition, okay, in forthcoming days. So then date, you should mention date, you should mention time, you should mention day. So what, when and where. Now you should mention the place where the function, the competition will be going on. Okay, so then you just announce for prizes, or okay, for encouraging students, first, second and third prizes you are giving. So this is to inform all the students, okay, of class 5th to 8th about the drawing competition to be held in our school. Date, day, time, venue, school auditorium or central courtyard, then prize. Okay, so then certificate will be awarded, okay, to all participants. If you participate, you will get certificate, and drawing sheet will be provided by the school. For further detail, if you have any doubts, so contact undersign. Then you write signature of undersign, okay, in designation. So like that you can make notice. Okay, then if we talk about the message, so message is formal and informal, both kind of way of informing. Okay, and so message plays also important role in informing. Message is another important type of short composition. Message is another important type of way of communication. Okay, and message is another important type of short information, informative way. If we want to talk to someone, and we write a message to someone to whom we are unable to talk for some reason. So that's why over phone, if we are on phone, if we want to give message to a person but the person is not there, so we can convey the message to someone and then someone else can convey the message to the particular person. So like this we can give message. Also we write message in a box, okay, and on the top of the box we write heading message in capital letter, it should be underlined, okay. Then on right hand side we mention time, on left hand side we mention date, okay. Then we write below the date, we write the name of a receiver. Then after receiver we deal body of message, okay. And message should not exceed 50 words. In message you should use third person, okay. And your sentence or structure should be strong and short, okay. Then at last you can write your name, means sender's name. So below the date you write receiver's name, okay. Then how to deal with message body? So you can deal with message body on the basis of 3 points. Number 1, who called. Number 2, why he called. Number 3, follow if required. Who called, है ना, who called, number 1 in message body, how to deal message body, who called. Number 2, why he called. Number 3, follow if required, okay. So like that you can deal with message body. At the last you can write the name of sender, okay. So like that you can deal with message body, okay. It should not exceed 50 words, okay. And you should write in enclosed box. It should be in form of formal, informal, both. So here is conversation in between. You, Rajat, receive a phone call, okay, from your father's office. From your father's office there is a phone call for your father, but father is not at house. So you are Rajat, you attend the call. Mr. Gupta call you, and then you talk, okay, to Mr. Gupta, and Mr. Gupta is giving a message in conversation to postpone about upcoming meeting, and the meeting is fixed on tomorrow, and let him know about the next meeting, okay. So you made a message, okay. You can see on my screen, and I have already show this message in my last videos, okay. I have explained message in last video, so you can see all the videos for better knowledge, okay. This time we are just showing you the revision exercises. So message, on the top message in capital letter, it should be underlined. Then left hand side we mention date, right hand side we mention right hand side we mention time, left hand side we mention day and date, okay. Then we write the name of receiver, daddy. Then you inform that Mr. Gupta called from your office. Mr. Gupta called from your office by telephone and stating that the meeting scheduled for tomorrow. The meeting scheduled for tomorrow postpone, okay. It has been cancelled. 15 June meeting has been cancelled. Tomorrow's meeting has been cancelled, okay. He also informed that they would let you know. They would let you know means the office people, they would let you know as when the next date is fixed for the meeting, okay, Rajat. So like that you can deal any message, okay. In the message we are learning message in where in revision. Then email means electronic mail, okay. Email is very important means, and the quickest and the fastest means in this time, okay, because nowadays we are using computer, palm top, laptop, smartphone, so we can get email, we can send email, it's very quickly, and we can send email not only one person, we can connect with 1 2 3 and more than, or group, okay, in one time, and we can send message, images, documents, link, okay, text along with email, okay. So in email we have two body. Number 1, header. In header we have 4 points, okay. In header we have 4 points, to CC, BCC and subject. And in the body, okay, we deal body also. In body we should write about the body like as we write letter. Then at last we write our name, our email address, okay, in designation, and mobile number, okay. At last we conclude, when we conclude email, okay. So number 1, if we talk about header, so we have to CC, BCC and subject. To means email address of first person, okay. To the email address of first person. CC, email address of second person. BCC, email address of third person if required. And subject, in subject we can write the subject which we have given, okay. Then second body, main body. So in main body, first we start from salutation, respected sir or madam. Then we deal emails body on the basis of introduction. Okay. Then we can deal message body, email body in formal or formal way as we write letter. Okay. Then at last, when concluding, so after concluding a message, after concluding email, okay, we can write the name of sender, okay, and sender's email id, mobile number, okay, email address, everything. Okay. So like that we can deal any email. Okay. So email means electronic mail. So we are going to see an electronic mail. Your friend wastes a lot of time on internet visiting site. Your friend surfing on internet and using internet, overusing internet. Okay. And he is used to, now he used to check horoscopes, means Rashifal, and numerology. Okay. Means Bhavishya and Rashifal he is watching, he's searching for. So write an email advising him not to do so. Not to do so means you want to say time is very precious, my dear, don't waste your time. So on the top, 2 CC, BCC and subject. Okay. 2 means email address of first receiver. CC means email address of second receiver if you have. BCC email address of third receiver if you have. Okay, if you require. Then subject. Okay, what is the subject? Time is precious, because he is wasting his time in watching numerology. Okay, in watching numerology and horoscope. So he is wasting his time in Rashifal or Bhavishwani. Okay. So then you write the name of receiver. Okay, my dear, my lovely dear Vinay, you just salute, you write salutation, okay, for the person. Then you deal the body as we deal letter. Okay. So now that you are in 12th standard, okay, it's time to do study, but you are wasting your time on internet surfing, and you are surfing on internet, you are looking for horoscope, you are interested in numerology. I am your well-wisher friend, but why you are wasting the time on searching these things? It is better to do study. Don't use internet for long time, otherwise you will get the migraine pain and you can suffer from eye disease. Okay, eye disease. You can get the problem related to eye disease. Your eyes gets exhausted otherwise. So it is better, as I am your good friend, I am giving you advice to just leave these things. Okay, watching horoscope and numerology, it is better to do study and watch knowledge oriented thing on internet. Okay, it is better for you. Then at last, I hope you will consider my request, okay, and not to do it again. At last, good luck. Okay, then you write your name, your designation, you write your email address, phone number, mobile number, email id, and your name, and you conclude this email. Okay, at last. So it is about email. Then if we talk about the letter, so letter is also most important thing. There are 2 letters, formal and informal. So formal, we write formal letter to authority, to organization, to institution, to government body. Okay. And application also comes in formal letter. Okay, which we write to principal sir. Informal means we write to our parents, our brother, sister, friend, okay, relatives. So these are informal. So you know how to write letter, because you are writing letter since last many years. Okay. So how to write letter? On the top you write the address of sender. Then after that you mention the date. Then below it you designate the person to whom you are going to write, means name of receiver, okay, and its designation. Then subject. Then after that salutation, respected sir or madam. Then you deal its body. Then at last you conclude the letter, okay, by giving the name of sender. Okay. So I have given you 2 letter. Number 1, loudspeaker. Okay. So nowadays loudspeaker is going to use for long time. The person they are not thinking that we have exam from 14 December. Okay, and they are playing loudspeaker on high volume, on high pitch. Okay, so then we want to request, we cannot request them. So that's why it is related to public awareness. So we want to aware the public, and we want to draw the attention of authority. So for it we wanted to write letter. Okay, and first we write letter to editor. okay, and from editors, okay, from the editors, esteemed newspaper, from the column of esteemed newspaper of editors, okay, we want to create public awareness. So for that we write letter to editor, because through the esteemed column of his newspaper we want to aware, we want to publish our demand, our request, and we want to just draw the attention of authority, and we want to create public awareness. Okay, so through the esteemed column of his newspaper we want to create public awareness. Okay, and we want imposing ban on overusing of loudspeaker for late night, because we have authority have given them time period up to 10, but they are full night they are operating, they are functioning loudspeaker on high pitch. Okay, so it creates a disturb in our study. Okay, and it's time for study, so that's why we want ban or penalty imposing on those people who are playing loudspeaker over, who are overusing loudspeaker for late night. Okay, and it creates a disturbance in our study. So you can write about loudspeaker, okay, in revision. Then we have leave application and character certificate. Very easy. Application, two applications. So leave application and character certificate. Okay, so you can easily deal both, huh? Leave application and character certificate you can deal. Okay, not very tough. Leave application and character certificate application are very easy for you to do. Okay, then paragraph writing also most important thing. So we have given a subject in paragraph writing, importance of good health. Okay, so if you are healthy, a sound mind lives in a sound body. If you are healthy, so you can be wealthy. Okay, and physical health is must for everyone. Okay, and now we are restless day by day. Okay, so health is wealth, you have remember about it. Okay, so good health is a blessing for us. Okay, it is a key to happiness, it is a key, it is a secret for success, your good health. Okay, so you can enjoy everything if you have good health. Okay, and if you are not healthy, so you are a burden on your family. Okay, like that. So therefore you must try to maintain your sound health. So that's why you need fresh air, balanced diet, regular exercises, okay, proper rest, and stress free life. Okay, so you should maintain it. You should know, you should drink plenty of water, you should avoid junk food. Okay, so that you can refrain, okay, from alcohol. You should refrain from alcohol. You should go for your checkup. Okay, you should go for regular checkup to your doctor. Okay, and you must adopt a laugh therapy. You must laugh as possible. Okay, and it is the secret for your good health. And you should just eat balanced diet. Okay, nutritious food, and do proper exercises. Okay, then you should not sleep, okay, for long time. You should not watch movie for long time. You should not suffer, you should not use internet for long time. Okay, and you can be disease free if you are following all the things given you, all the better way shown to you. Okay, like regular exercises, eat balanced diet, not to use junk food. Okay, and you should go for a regular doctor checkup, so you can have, okay, you can get a sound body after that. Okay, so at conclusion, we cannot live without healthy life. Okay, we should be healthy, and if we can enjoy everything, we can enjoy every pleasure if we have sound body. Okay, and good health. So for good health or sound body, we needed these all things. Okay, so it is about paragraph, importance of good health. Okay, then we have description, diary, okay, and a story. So in description, if we talk about description, so you learn about the Taj Mahal. Okay, Taj Mahal. In description, I have shown you about Taj Mahal. You should prepare in description Taj Mahal, the Taj Mahal. Okay, the Taj Mahal. Where is the Taj Mahal? In Agra. Okay, Shah Jahan made Taj Mahal in memory of Mumtaz. Okay, his wife. Okay, then Taj Mahal is a site of UNESCO. Okay, Taj Mahal, the UNESCO included Taj Mahal in its World Heritage Site. Okay, in 1983. So Taj Mahal is made on very precious stone. Okay, it is very beautiful. Uh, okay, from different countries, visitors and what name tourists came to see the Taj Mahal and its beauty. So it is a glorious platform. It is a glorious monumental structure to see in India. And now it is in seventh wonder of the world. Okay, सात अजूबों में से ये एक है ताजमहल. So you should write about Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal we have given you in a revision. Okay. So it is a description. Then if we talk about diary entry. So nowadays everyone is fond of writing diary because we can mention our secret to our diary. We can share our secret to our diary easily. So diary writing is most important. Okay. And our diary is for us very important to share our secret. And if we know about the great men, great person, so we know about their personal life by their diary. Okay. And diary is our whole days happening. Okay, collection of whole days happening. Okay, so the activity that we do whole day, so the all the happenings we mention in our diary. Okay, after that at night when we have done all the task of whole day, so we write all the activity in our diary. So in revision we have given you, it was the happiest day of your life when your class teacher informed you that you have been selected as the best sportsman of the year. Okay, so you are thrilled as now you will receive the award on annual day. Okay, so you want to maintain diary. So when you come to know about these things, so you are very happy right now. Okay, so you should maintain this diary. So in diary writing, okay, you can see on my screen the revision diary. Then story writing. Okay, so there is a story of elephant and tailor. Okay, there is a story of elephant and tailor. So the story already I mentioned in my last video. Okay, story I already mentioned in last video. Okay, so you should learn the story of elephant and tailor. The elephant and tailor. So watch last video. You can see on screen also. Then article. Okay, in article we have given you terrorism, a threat to humanity. Okay, terrorism, a threat to humanity. So why we write article? Okay, article creates a public awareness in society. Okay, and we can see many articles on different subject. Okay, we can see political on political, on religious, on a social issue. Okay, we can see the article. Okay, we can read article in newspaper, in magazine. Okay, so article sometimes some writer criticize the policy of government. Okay, if government is not doing in welfare of people, so article plays very important role to creating awareness in society. So we have given you article on terrorism threat. Okay, terrorism threat, and I have mentioned about the idea of writing article in my last video, so you can learn from there. Okay, so it was the revision of complete revision of section C.